Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi and welcome back to my channel Fun with Data Science. Basically, I post videos related to data science and the stuff related to data science in my channel. So today I have come upon with a very interesting and very useful video for you. So basically what I'm going to tell you today is that IIT Kanpur has launched two data science courses which are totally free, and you can enroll in that. And what are the things that they are providing? Let's see that. So the first course is for the essentials of data science with R software, probability and statistical inference. So basically in data science we use the languages. Basically the most used languages in data science are Python and R. So they have launched the course using the language R, and the first one is for the probability and statistical inference, and the second one is for the sampling theory and linear regression analysis. So let's check out that what are the things and how do we need to enroll, what is the time duration and all that things. So firstly here it is written that intended audience, so UG students of science and engineering colleges can apply for that. Students of humanities with basic mathematical statistical background can also apply, and the working professionals in analytics can also apply for this course. And here are some prerequisites that they must have a little bit of knowledge for introduction to our course, and a little bit of mathematics background which you have maybe studied in your class 12th, and some minor statistics background is desirable. And after that, moving to the next, we have here the course layout, that what are the things they are going to cover in the weeks. So basically this is a 12-week course. So course status here is upcoming, that you need to enroll in this course, and it will be upcoming in the next year, that is 2021. And what is the start date for this course is 18th of January. End date for this course is 9th April, that is 2021. And there is an exam also, and the exam date is 24 April 2021. Further I will tell you about the exam dates and what are the things for the exam. And firstly let me cover this, that the enrollment ends on 25th of January. So the last day to enroll for this program is 25th of January. Now let's here are some books and references that they have already mentioned, that these are the books you can refer, and this is the instructor bio. All these things you can read on your own. Now let's move to the course certificate criteria. That there is a end paper that is on 24th of April, and the sessions will be 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and afternoon session will be 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. After that, the criteria to get a certificate is that the every assignment scores should be equal to 25% of average of best 8 assignments. So basically the things that they are going to cover and teach you every week, there would be assignments for that. Each and every course has an assignment for every week, and in the best 8 assignments you need to score a average score of 25%, and if you do this criteria you are eligible to get the certificate. And after that, the secondary thing for the certification thing is that your exam score should be 75% out of 100. So you must get 75% out of 100. So if you satisfy these two criteria, then you will be get a certificate. And the final score which will be calculated is adding the every assignment score and the exam score, and whatever the criteria will be, if you are eligible, then you will get the certificate. Basically e-certificates will be provided, and here it is written that certificate with will have your name, photograph and the score, and basically it will have the logos of NPTEL and IITK, and it will be e-verifiable at nptel.ac.in, and these are the things written, you can have a look at them. One more thing, that you will be eligible for a certificate only if every assignment score is greater than or equal to 10 by 25, and exam score is greater than equal to 30 by 75. And if one of the criterias of the two you have not completed, then you will not get the certificate even if you have the final score greater than or equal to 40, that thing doesn't matter. But if you don't have the assignments are of 25 marks, and if you don't have greater than or equal to 10 marks in each and every assignment, or you don't have exam score which is greater than or equal to 30, then you will not get the certificate. And both of these criteria are important to get the certificate. It is not like that you are having a final score of 40 so you will get a certificate. All these two criteria should be met, then only the certificate would be provided. After that, the next course which is there is that of sampling theory and linear regression analysis. It is also with R language. And here are some prerequisites: that introduction to R course and essentials of data science with R software, probability and statistical inference, and all that things. You can read these things on the own. The main thing is here that the duration is of 12 weeks. Start date is 18 January 2021 and then end date is 9th of April. After that, the exam date is 25th April, and the enrollment, the enrollment forms ends at the 25th of January. And this is the course layout. This is of 12 weeks. So here the course layout is here. Then books and references, course certificate criteria is basically same for both the things, and all other things are same, only the course layout is different of the two courses. So first one was for the R language. No, it was for probability and statistical inference, and second is for sampling theory. And here you can click on join options and you will be enrolled in that course. Basically, what will be the requirements? You need to fill that, if any, or you can join here. So this is all for this video. So I have told you about the new initiative of IIT-K for launching 2 courses in data science. And as data science is the most emerging field in the industry nowadays, so you all should apply for this and study. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.